In a quiet library, a sudden hic echoed. Everyone turned to see Tim, wide-eyed. "Sorry," he whispered, trying to hold his breath. Another hic escaped. His friend Lucy giggled. "You sound like a squeaky toy." Tim frowned. "Is my diaphragm acting up?" Lucy smirked. "Maybe it's trying to sing opera." Tim chuckled. "Or it's auditioning for a horror movie." A librarian approached. "Need water?" Tim nodded. "Or a diaphragm coach." Everyone laughed, and Tim's hiccups vanished. Remember, laughter is the best cure. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.